Look what happens a month before a heart attack. This is a very important video for all people. Everyone should read carefully all these symptoms that we are going to present below. It is good to say that, in the United States, heart attacks are the leading cause of death. What worries most is that 25% of the deaths in the country are due to heart attacks, beating cancer as the #1 killer. The three main causes of heart attacks are high blood pressure, high cholesterol and smoking. 1 month before a heart attack, your body warns you. These are the 6 signs. 1. Discomfort in the chest. This is the most common of the symptoms and comes in several different forms. Some people feel a pressure in the chest, while others feel burning or pinching. 2. Feeling tired. A sudden feeling of tiredness for no reason could be a sign that a heart attack is in process. The heart has to work harder when arteries begin to close, and can make simple tasks feel draining. 3. Long duration of cold symptoms. Having cold symptoms that do not seem to go away could be a sign of heart failure. As the heart struggles to supply the body with blood can seep back into the lungs. 4. Swelling. As the heart struggles to pump blood to the body, the veins can begin to swell, causing a distending effect. The main points of inflammation are the feet, ankles and legs, since they are further away from the heart. 5. Dizziness. As the blood circulation is limited with a weakened heart, the brain may not be receiving the amount of oxygen it needs. You may feel constantly dizzy, and this is an important point of concern, and you should seek medical attention right away. 6. Shortness of breath. Another important sign of an impending heart attack is lack of air. The heart and lungs work in unison. Just as the heart begins to malfunction, the lungs do not receive the amount of oxygen they need. This causes shortness of breath and needs to be treated immediately.